Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find best tags for YouTube videos in 2022. Here I will show you a tag generator tool with which you can generate best tags for YouTube videos for completely free. So let's get started. First open web browser. Now go to rapidtags.io website. You will find a link to the website in the description section. Now on the home page, click on Use Tools for Free button. Now here you need to enter your main keyword. This is basically the topic or the title of your video. Let's enter how to get more views on YouTube and hit enter. Within seconds, this tool will generate all the best tags that are related to your video title. If you want to remove any tag, then simply click on cross icon to remove that specific tag. Now click on copy button and all the tags will be copied to your clipboard. You can simply paste these tags in the video upload tag section, or you can paste these tags on Notepad for the later use. So that is how you can find the best tags for your YouTube videos in 2022. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.